Hey man, what you doing? What you doing this weekend?
I'm watching lightning strikes. Wanna come?
Yes? Oh wait, what's this? Oh, a phone call. Should I watch lightning strikes? He said I should.
Come here.
Hi, we're the other pets.
I'm hacking into the mainframe.
Lightning strikes.
Why don't you ever hear about cattle farmers anymore? And dairy, what they produce? I mean, they're obviously doing something because we have milk, but...
What is this injustice? Why don't we hear of dairy farmers?
they need more news coverage.
I'll get to work on that.
Alright. So, tell me again about your history.
Well, see, I lived in a suburb, right next to a radioactive nuclear power plant. It suffered a meltdown, and the blast radius was enormous, leaving me horribly exposed to radiation. Rather than being poisoned, I woke up 9 days later realizing I had the ability to turn regular water into salt water. And that's when I knew it was my destiny to save Earth.
Alright, President of the Future is on the line.
This is the President of the Future. Hello. This is Lightning Strikes. Ah, Lightning Strikes. Good to hear from you. Sally Ann is fine. She had puppies. Oh, yes, 9 of them. Well, speaking of that, Gandhi's trying to take over the world with anti-violence. That's slowly becoming extreme violence. We need your help. We'll do whatever we can to help. We need your help. I'm on it. Gandhi's violence cannot stand. Neither can his non-violence. I won't have this.
I say we have a sneak attack and we go in from the rear of his building and then we come down the road, we're wearing all black, and then we steal whatever kind of mystery that he is hiding in his walls.
Ridiculous. That'll never work. Never.
Okay, how about we rent submarines and then we go underneath his, the moat that he's built around his castle, and there might be alligators, but we can work our way around that. We get full body suits and we shove ourselves up into his mind-blowing castle.
One problem. With our income, we can never afford to rent a submarine.
Yes, well, we can...
Think these through, Robin!
Okay, what do you have?
I will say I'm glad you asked, as I am the mastermind.
Ghandi!
Get back out there! Ghandi! Now I'm coming.
Ghandi!
Ooh!
Yeah! It's almost working.
He's too close! I didn't want to have to do this.